Hey ladies and gentlemen, we're back live with our final 2 packs of the first Mosiac 2025 NFL Blaster. The last pack opening we didn't get much, but a couple inserts and a couple rookies and base cards again. This whole blaster's been cold. These are my last 2 from the first box, so let's see if we can get anything. I hope so, but if not, it's gonna be a bad box, I can tell you that. But let's see. Justin Herbert, see base card stuff, see what I mean? Mark Brunell, Jaguar. Let's see. Terrence Ferguson, rookie card. And then rookie Armand Menbo, Jets. Oh, not numbered or nothing, but that's cool. Cade Otton, Buccaneers. And then look at that, Jamal Anderson, Falcons. Oh, look at that. An oldie on the base card. And then, all right, one final pack to try to dance on the first one. Let's see. Bernie Kosar. Rookie card. Jalen Lane, Commander. Oh, no numbered there. Epic Performer, Brock Bowers again. Oh, look at that. I got a bang orange fluorescent. Oh, Derwin James Jr. Oh, look at that. Derwin James Jr. on my orange pull. Rookie card, R.J. Harvey. And Frank Gore. Oh man, guys, like I said, see, we ended that box or blaster, the first one, like cold, man. All the packs. The bang insert orange fluorescent was pretty cool, but that's probably only $1 or $2. But no big rare pulls yet out of that first blaster, but we're gonna keep trying, I'm hoping. But see you on the next one, everyone.